Hi, my name is Lara Latosa. I am an abstract artist. I work mostly on wave forms. So I really dedicate my art to advocate for ocean protection and preservation. In my career as an artist and even as a curator, I really want to anchor my works towards advocacies protecting the ocean. So my career, my art is really my dedication and love letter, as I call it, to the seas. I guess in my line of work, I want to lend yung talent ko for a good cause, to advocate for a worthy cause that would help us to preserve yung environment, particularly yung ocean. So I guess what I want for people to take away from this event and this initiative that we're doing is that no matter yung sector natin or industry we're in, kahit hindi tayo scientists, kahit hindi tayo politicians, it's the little things that count. So for us as artists, we want to lend our talent to help do storytelling in a visual way and help raise awareness then. We'd like to invite you on July 24 to 25 for the Plasticon 2025 at the new NSI building at UP Diliman. Tara, kita-kits! Ako si Lara Latosa, isang artista.
Isang artista.
Isang artista.
Isang artista.
Isa pong artista.
Isang artista.
Isang artista
Para sa kalikasan.